Hello and welcome to UFPTC. My name is NapalmF, and today we're going to be getting info using Whois, DNS, and Host. So all three of these tools are extremely useful because it lets us actually view specific things about websites and IP addresses, and it lets us kind of get a bigger idea on what's going on. So let's start off with our Whois. So our target's going to be the United States Nuclear Regulatory Commission, and we'll just be looking in trying to find out more about this organization. So first step is Whois. Whois gives us information specifically about their domain. So if I type Whois and press enter, it'll give us a small amount of information. The problem is, though, since this is a .gov, we'll be having a little bit more issues seeing anything through Whois. So let's actually do IRQ real quick, and here we go. This looks a little bit better. So here we have the domain name, who registered it, which is GoDaddy.com, the name servers, some status stuff, when it was last updated, when it was created. The Whois will have all of that, but it also has information specifically about the owners of the site. It's Sunscape Technology, and here's their home address. If there's an issue, we have administrative and technical support contact. So that's just a little something to keep an eye on. If like you ever need to talk to an admin, here's the Whois is the best way to get to one. So let's actually do some DNS stuff on that Nuclear Regulatory Commission site. So let's do an NS lookup and press enter. It'll give us a little console like this. So first off, before I go any further, DNS or Domain Name Service. Basically, what this does is this lets us do IP URL matchups. So when you go onto the internet, you type in google.com. Google.com actually leads to an IP address, and DNS is what gives us that IP address. It's what matches it up. It says google.com is actually at 76.55.23.172. So let me just look through my notes real quick. Okay, so first off, what we need to do is let's look up our URL, which is nrc.gov. And we'll find some information already. We got the server IP address, and then we've got we've got what the name server IP address is, which is the 209.18.47.61, and then the actual nrc.gov IP address, which is 148.184.174.31. Now we can also go looking for certain types of servers. So we're going to actually look for mail exchange servers first. And let's go back and look up nrc.gov again. And we'll find two mail exchange servers, mail1.nrc.gov and mail2.nrc.gov. Now, what we're going to do next is we're going to set the type to mail servers only. So those are mail exchange servers. This is I'm setting this to actual mail servers. Oops. That doesn't work, huh? That's weird. Let's do set type equals NS and try to get all the name servers then. nrc.gov. And here we go. Here we've got all the DNS servers. Now, if we notice, their DNS servers are all from excuse me. They're all from Data MNT or MTN, and they have one name server that's on their own little network. So that's name server lookup. Last but not least, let's do host. Host is a lot similar. It can contain a little bit of extra information though, so it's not bad to try it. Host nrc.gov. So what host does is this lets us find all these subdomains and information that's on that's on a specific website. So if you see it pulled all the information that we did with that DNS lookup. In fact, it'll usually pull up about the same information almost every time, but sometimes it's just better to do it by hand, you know? So let's do host minus TNS and just pull the name servers. Now, last but not least, we can also do something really, really cool. We can go in and resolve an IP address to a website. So if you're having issues finding where a website is on the, like you have their IP, but you don't have their, URL, which can happen, you can find it using this. So we've got, it comes up in 2 domain names. This one, safetyforpublic.nrc.gov and nrc.gov. So right there, we just found a new subdomain, and that's something, again, if we were searching or trying to compromise nrc.gov, that might be something useful, because now we've got a whole new thing we can access. We also have all their data or all their name servers, all their mail servers. So now we're starting to get a better picture of what's going on enumeration-wise. So anyways, thank you for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe if you want to see more. Any comments or feedback is really, really appreciated, guys. So, comment away. Thank you very much for watching.